reporting for TVPS's STK Effingham. We are from TVPS's STK Effingham, and here we are going to explain about the activities that had been conducted throughout the month of July. It's crucial to increase the participation of people in co-curricular activities. These activities encourage pupils to involve in various physical movements, which pave a way from them to lead an active lifestyle with various sport activities. In that case, MSSP football tournament had been held at RRI school. Around 15 boys and 15 girls took part in the tournament. Many teachers have involved in this tournament to support our pupils. Players played actively throughout the tournament and received the certificates of participation and some souvenirs. Followed by that, the MSS Teachers Tournament has been held in our school hall on July 5th with many participants from different schools.
The event had been organized and conducted well by our school teachers and administrators.
This month is considered to be a special month for us because our birthdays had been celebrated on this month.
People who were born on March or June had been celebrated their birthdays in a school by cutting variety of colorful cake.
We had enjoyed the day truly with the teachers and our friends.
Moreover, story writing and creative writing competition had been held in Tamil and English, as it organized by our school unit PSS.
Almost all of the pupils had been participated in these competitions.
These competitions enhanced their creativity and their writing skills effectively.
But not least, as a combined initiative of counseling, RBT, Arts Panel and LPS, a program for innovation had been conducted in our school on July. Many people had participated in this program and they created their own innovation and present it. It was a great way to cultivating creative and innovative thinking skills among us. That's all from us.
Meet you all again with our fascinating ideas and programs in the next session.
Until then, signing off from Suara.
Stay tuned.
Now, let's talk about the programs that have been conducted in the month of August. The most awaited event of preschool children, which is the Preschool Sport Day, had been conducted on 2nd of August. The interesting children's games had been conducted during this sports day by Teacher Dil Chandra. The children were enjoyed involving in the games. Next, English creative writing activity had been conducted throughout the month, as this activity had been organized by PSS teacher Kartina and her members. Pupils were given an opportunity to activate their creative and imaginative writing skills through this activity. ceremony of Independence Day celebration had been conducted on 16th August in the school hall. Teacher Pablo Selvi had been the main organizer for the event and conducted it well with other panel members. Some students' performances were arranged as they danced for some Malay, Chinese, and Tamil songs. It was one of the highlighted events of the month.
The report card day had been conducted on 23rd of August. The academic status of children had been reported to their parents by their respective class teachers.
Apart from that, on 3rd of August, in coordination with the Independence Day celebration, a special assembly were conducted with a prayer. Afterwards, around the school's area, it was fun for us.
Finally, a camping activity for preschool students also had been conducted on 30th of August. The children baked cakes, biscuits, and made sandwiches as an activity in this Merdeka camping.